Welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the #1 rated precious metals company, Goldco. Hi there, I'm Ron, your friendly guide through the world of precious metals, and today we're dissecting the latest news and events in the world of gold and silver. So let's get started with a popular story as of late. According to many outlets, including CNBC, Costco is now selling gold bars, and get this, they're selling out within a few hours. Can you believe that? You thought Costco was all about buying paper towels and steaks in bulk, and now you can add gold bars to the list. Their chief financial officer, Richard Galati, said the bars are in hot demand and don't last long when in stock, so they limit 2 purchases per member. Zero Hedge is calling this the Costco Gold Indicator. Could this be a sign that the gold price is about to surge? Only time will tell, but you can't deny the growing demand. There's also a new price prediction for gold coming from the financial publication Kitco. Any guess what it is? $5,000 an ounce in the next 3 years. And the same article goes to predict a wave of defaults that could kick off a recession in Q4. In the article, they interview Michael Lee, founder of Michael Lee Strategy. And here's what he had to say. I see lending getting tighter and capital getting restricted in the economy so that the default wave begins. You typically need about 18 months into the yield curve inversion before the wheels start to come off employment, which puts us towards the end of the year. We've never had an inversion like this without some sort of recession. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. And when asked why gold is still below the $2,000 mark, he said the price is being influenced by many factors, including the almighty US dollar and the expectations of interest rates in the market. Then he went on to say that at some point, there'll be a flight to safety. If we have another breaking event, something like a Silicon Valley Bank, then all of a sudden you get above $2,000 and you really start moving. So what do you think? Mix in the fact that inflation has made a bit of a comeback and it might be time to start paying attention. According to the Wall Street Journal, inflation has stepped back on the gas. So that could be even more fuel for the fire. Now, as for silver, there's not a lot of news to report, except for silver still being the big winner in the US's attempted transition to green energy. According to Bank of America research, over 270 new clean energy projects, backed by a whopping $130 billion of investments, have sprung into life since the Inflation Reduction Act became law. But here's where the silver lining truly shines. Bank of America's research suggests that silver's price could enjoy a decade-long embrace. They see silver as the precious metal with the most significant supply deficit. And here's why. Silver isn't just a pretty metal, it's a superhero in the green revolution. It's like the secret ingredient in your favorite recipe, making everything work together. Silver is crucial for solar power and forms the heart of photovoltaic solar panels. But wait, there's more. It's also a key player in the world of electric vehicles. Bank of America believes that as the US cements its position as the green technology leader and the global hub for electric vehicles, silver's demand will skyrocket. Now, here's where it gets intriguing. Bank of America's analysts predict that silver's supply deficit could swell to a whopping 125% by 2030. As green technology advances, silver becomes even more precious. With a supply-demand gap like that, it's no wonder silver's future looks brighter. All right, my fellow precious metal fans, that's a wrap for today's Gold and Silver Update. We want to know what you think. Will you be buying a gold bar or 2 from Costco? Do you have any friends or family who are? If so, go ahead and let us know in the comments. We want to know how many of you are adding gold to your Costco shopping list. All right, if you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button. Remember, this episode is brought to you by the #1 rated precious metals company, Goldco. Goldco has helped thousands of satisfied customers protect themselves over the years, making over $2 billion in precious metals placements. With direct relationships with mints around the world, they work hard to bring their customers gold coins and gold bars that are guaranteed to be authentic. And their customers' 5-star reviews are a testament to their dedication to quality products and customer service. So if you're looking to diversify your hard-earned savings with gold ahead of a recession, it's important to work with partners you can trust. And right now, Goldco is offering a free gold IRA kit to give you all the facts when it comes to diversifying with precious metals like gold and silver. Trust me, you'll want a copy of this free 36-page treasure chest of information. To get your free gold IRA kit, simply click on the link below or give Goldco a call now to get started. Until our next glittering journey, stay curious and keep shining.